Top 7 Best Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaners. To get more videos, subscribe this channel. All the products links are given in the description tab. Best Vacuum Cleaner Mart. An Utmost review channel.
Give your home a powerful clean with the 150-watt, high-powered, lightweight, and upright Musso 2-in-1 cordless bagless vacuum. With a rotatable joint design that goes wherever you need it to go, and LED headlights that light the way, the multifunctional Musso deeply cleans and removes dust, dirt, and pet hairs from your carpet and hardwood floors. Simply transform it into handheld mode and enjoy up to 30 minutes of cord-free sweeping. Musso can even tackle the dirtiest stairs, sofas, and car interiors with ease. And with its washable, high-efficiency filtration system and high-density HEPA filter that traps PM0.1 particles, you'll breathe easier with the Musso 2-in-1 cordless bagless vacuum.
Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Vacuum. This is really a lightweight vacuum suitable for hard filler and area rugs and converts stick vacuum cleaner into a hand vacuum with crevice tool. Hand vacuum provides floor nozzle for convenient stair cleaning. The Featherweight Lightweight Stick Vacuum gives you convenient and effective cleaning on carpets, area rugs, bare floors, stairs, upholstery and more. It easily converts from a stick vacuum to a hand vacuum to clean anywhere in your home. Because the Featherweight is ultra lightweight and compact, it is easy to use and easy to store. The power source is corded. Tineco A11 Master Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Full-size LED multitasker power brush is very effective for agitating dirt embedded in the carpet. Full-size LED soft roller power brush protects your hard floor and picks up all the fine dust and large debris. 2 brushes, double care 4 different floor types. 4 stages fully sealed filtration system with rinse-free filter cleaning tool captures the particles with excellent efficiency. Expels non-allergenic fresh air with no leakage of fine dust. ONSON Stick Cordless Vacuum. Keep to help you clean your house more easily. ONSON Hand Vacuum Cleaner has no annoying never limit your reach, that can help you quickly clean your home, car, kitchen, office or small space. Flexible head clean your house in all direction, even easy to clean high up places. No need to put holes on your wall. Handheld vacuum can be storaged on the base, which is easier, and save your space. No leakage, lock and small particles when cleaning. Expels fresh and cleaner air finally.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later. With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the Only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
Dyson Cyclone V10 Motorhead Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum. The smallest, lightest, yet strongest motor Dyson has ever produced. Made with a ceramic shaft instead of steel, it spins at up to 125,000 RPM, which generates the suction power of a full-size vacuum. Changes to a handheld vacuum cleaner and back again, in just one click. Up to 60 minutes of runtime. The Dyson Cyclone V10 vacuum drops into the wall-mounted dock, to recharge and to tidily store the tools, ready to grab and go. Tineco A10 Hero Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Full-size LED multitasker power brush for all floor type. One brush for both hard floor and carpet. 10.4 cleaning path with 2 power modes to tackle either surface or embedded dirt. LED lights help you to clean even in shadow. 4 stages fully sealed filtration system lock in small particles with no leakage. Expels non-allergenic fresh air to protect your family. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this video.